everyone, it's my pub. Where does the name for Vaynol come from? So, today I'm in Glan Vaynol, which is a small patch of woodland just south of Bangor and just north of Vellinhelly, just by the Menai Straits, which you can see behind me. So, the name of this area, and also of the pub in Pentir, of Vaynol, comes from the name of an estate which was originally owned by the bishops of Bangor, which was in this area. Now, Vaynol is a soft mutation of Mynol because originally it had before it, which means the. So when you use the word the with a feminine noun in Welsh, it soft mutates the word. So Mynol became a Vaynol. And eventually that was dropped because it's obvious from context, and it became Vaynol. Now, a Mynol is a manor house. Sometimes it's a minor even. It sounds a lot like the English word manor, but it's actually not related to it at all. It's actually from the root mine, which means a stone, because often in medieval Wales, a manor house was the only real stone building. Anyway, deal. Subscribe for more and check out my the link in my bio. You can check out my Patreon if you want to support me, or come to my website, or find my other social medias. Deal. Have a good one.